Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will make mini crispy samosas with two excellent dips, that is date tamarind chutney and mint chutney. They are perfect for your tea time snack. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's make green chutney. For that, into a blender, add a small piece of ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, add according to your spice, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, juice of 1 lemon, grind into a fine paste. Green chutney is ready, set it aside. Now let's make dates tamarind chutney. For that I have taken half cup of each dates, jaggery and tamarind. Into a pan, add dates, tamarind and jaggery. Add 3 cups of water. Let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. With the help of a spoon, take out the froth which is laid on top. It's been 10 minutes now. Dates and tamarind are soft, cooked well. Now to this, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Bring back the flame to low. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Give it a nice mix. Let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Switch off the stove. Let it come to room temperature. Tamarind dates mixture has cooled completely. Blend the mixture. If it's too thick, add little water while blending. Strain the blended mixture. This way you'll get a smooth chutney. Transfer it in an airtight container and it stays good in the refrigerator for more than 8 to 10 weeks. You can use this for chaat items, pani puri, samosas, pakoras and many more. Let's make a dough. For that, into a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give a mix. One tablespoon of ghee. Before adding water, combine all this well. Add little water at a time to make a dough. Knead well for 5 minutes to get a soft dough. Cover the dough, let it sit for 20 minutes, keep it aside. While the dough is resting, let's make the potato filling. For this, I have boiled 3 potatoes. Mash it. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ghee, some coriander leaves. Give all of these ingredients a good mix. It's been resting for 20 minutes. Knead one more time. Divide the dough into small portions. Take a small dough, dust it with dry flour and roll it thin. Cut this into half. Take one half, dip your finger in water, hold this like a triangle as shown here, like a pocket. Keep little potato filling and seal it well. Samosas are ready. Put them in the freezer for 20 minutes. You can fry it right away or you can store it in a freezer friendly container. This stays good up to 6 months. Heat up enough oil for frying. Add the samosas and fry them until golden brown. Samosas are nice and golden. Now transfer this to a paper towel. Do try this popular namkeen snack. You can pack this for your kids' snack box as well. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy cooking!